Welcome to our video tutorial on curriculum editing and creation within the RightPath system. At Right Reason Technologies, we believe that you know your students better than anyone, and therefore, you should have the ability to customize the lessons that your students receive. With this tutorial, you will learn how to take our existing curriculum and make it your own, as well as create a brand new curriculum that will best meet the needs of your students. Within the RightPath system, you have the ability to access a variety of curricula that you can use either as is or customize to make it your own. In order to access these curricula, you can hover over the Lessons tab and click on Curriculum Search. This will bring up the Curriculum Search page. From here, you have the ability to access curricula that are either assigned to your classes or additional curricula that your district has access to. In this case, we are viewing curricula that are assigned to our class. In order to view a curriculum, you simply click on that curriculum's name. This will open up a preview of what is included in the curriculum. In this case, we can see that we are looking at a Global 1 curriculum. Below, you can see the different units that are comprised in this curriculum, and if you click on the unit, you can see the different lessons that are attached to it. Now that we know how to access a curriculum, let's learn how to edit an existing curriculum to make it our own. Once you have decided that you would like to edit an existing curriculum, your first step is to make a copy of the curriculum. The purpose for doing this is to ensure that the original curriculum is left intact and to create a copy that you can make any changes that you wish. In order to make a copy of a curriculum, you simply click on the Copy This Curriculum link. Once you do this, you must choose the owner of the curriculum. If you choose myself as the owner, you will be the only person who will have the ability to edit the curriculum. If you choose District from the drop-down, anyone from your district has the ability to edit the curriculum. In this case, we are going to leave the option checked as the owner as myself. Once you hit Save, you will see that a brand new curriculum will open. This is your very own copy of the curriculum. Now that you have made a copy of the curriculum, you have the ability to make any changes to this new curriculum that you wish. You may notice that some of the items on the top of the curriculum page have a pencil icon next to them. This is letting you know that you have the ability to change these items. In addition, you may wish to attach this curriculum to your class in order to make assigning even easier for you. To do this, you simply click on the Modify Classes button, choose your class, move it over to the right, and hit Save. Now this curriculum is attached to your class. In some cases, you may wish to reorder the units that are included in a curriculum. By doing so, you are moving all of the lessons that are included in a specific unit above or below an additional unit. Let's see how to do this. Changing the order of units in a curriculum is a very simple process. In order to do so, your first step is to click on the Reorder Units mode link. Once you do this, you are brought to a page that allows you to drag and drop the units into the places that you wish. Once you have done so, you can click the Save button. This will bring you back to the main curriculum page. As you can see, these two units have been swapped. Another option that you have when editing a curriculum is to use the Outline mode. When you do so, you have the ability to not only add additional units and items within those units, but you can change the location of the items within current units. Let's see how to do this. In order to access the Outline mode feature within a curriculum, you simply click on the Outline mode link. This will bring you to a page in which you can add additional units, additional items within a unit, or move current items within the curriculum around. In order to add a new unit within a curriculum, all you need to do is simply click on the Add New Unit button. Once you do so, a new unit placeholder will be added at the very end of the curriculum. At this point, you can give the placeholder a name and drag it to any location you would like within the curriculum. Keep in mind that any items that fall beneath this unit will be included within the unit. In our case, we are going to keep our unit at the very end of the curriculum. If you scroll back up to the top and click the Save button, you will be brought back to the original curriculum page. Here you can see that your new unit has been added within this page. To add items within an existing unit or one that you have just created, you simply return back to Outline mode. Once you are here, you have the ability to add items within a unit. To do so, click on the drop-down to select the unit that you would like to add items to. Once you have done this, click Add Item. If you scroll down, you will see that a new item has been added to the placeholder that you chose. Now you just need to give the item a name, scroll back up, and hit Save. Once you do this, you will again be brought back to the original curriculum page, and now when you click on the unit, you will see that a placeholder has been added. The next item that I would like to show you is called the Actions menu. This powerful menu allows you to do a variety of things within a curriculum. These include assigning lessons, viewing a lesson that is already attached within a curriculum, creating a new lesson to add within a curriculum, linking existing lessons that are found within RightPath, or moving or removing items that are in the curriculum. Let's take a look. When you expand a unit within a curriculum, you will see a list of the items that fall within the unit. I want to spend some time talking about the different things that you are seeing at this point. The first thing you will notice is a pencil icon. This means that you have the ability to edit the placeholder name for this item. If a placeholder has a lesson attached to it, you will see the name of the lesson next to the placeholder name. Please note that you may not see the name of a lesson attached to each and every curriculum placeholder. Notice underneath the new unit that we have added, you will only see the placeholder name. This is because a lesson is currently not linked to this placeholder. Now I would like to go through all of the options that you have when you use the Actions menu. Each item within a curriculum has its own Actions menu associated with it. Please note that items that currently have a lesson attached to them will have all of the options available under the Actions menu. If you go to an item that does not have a lesson linked, you will not be able to access the Assign Lesson feature or the View Lesson feature. To learn more about assigning lessons from a curriculum, please watch the Cyber Extension series of videos. For placeholders that do not currently have a lesson attached to them, the Actions menu allows you to link a lesson to this placeholder. Simply click on the Actions menu and then click on Link Lesson. This will bring you to the Lesson Library search. From here, you can search for a lesson that you would like to attach to this placeholder. In this case, I would like to attach the Lesson Review Project to the placeholder. I do so by clicking on the red arrow, which will then bring me back to the curriculum page. Once you are here, when you click on the unit, you will see that this lesson placeholder now has a lesson attached to it. If you made a mistake or simply no longer want a lesson to be attached to a curriculum item, all you need to do is click on the Actions menu and click Unlink Lesson. Once the page refreshes, the lesson that was attached to this placeholder will no longer be linked to it. The other options that I would like to discuss with you that are found within the Actions menu are moving curriculum items up, down, or removing them altogether within a unit. To do so, you click on the Actions button, and then you have the ability to move an item up, down, or remove it altogether. If you choose to remove an item, you will be prompted to make sure that you are okay with removing the item from the curriculum. If you are okay with this, click OK. If you made a mistake, click the Cancel button and no changes will be made. Creating a new curriculum uses many of the same features that we have just learned about. Let's take some time to see how to create a new curriculum from scratch. In order to create a brand new curriculum, you are once again going to navigate to the Curriculum Search page by hovering over Lessons and clicking on Curriculum Search. Once you do so, please note that there is a button at the top right-hand corner that says Create New Curriculum. Once you click on this button, you will be prompted to give your new curriculum a name, as well as once again choose the owner. Remember, if you choose yourself as the owner, you are the only one who can edit your new curriculum. If you choose district, others in the district will have the ability to edit the curriculum. Once you have filled in all of the information on this prompt, you can hit Create. This will create a brand new curriculum that is completely blank and customizable to meet your needs. At this point, you can either begin by editing the items here at the top that we discussed earlier, or jumping right into designing the flow of your curriculum by clicking on Outline Mode. Remember, in Outline Mode, you have the ability to add new units and items within the unit to design the flow of your curriculum. Your next steps in finishing your curriculum are to finish outlining your curriculum. Once you have done so in outline mode and hit save, you will return to the main curriculum page. From here, remember all of the tips that we talked about for using the Actions menu in order to link lessons into the curriculum or to even create your own. In order to learn about creating your own lessons, please watch the lesson creation video tutorial. Thank you for taking the time to view our video tutorial on curriculum editing and creation within the RightPath Student Success System. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, please feel free to contact us using the phone number you see here. Thank you.